Hey there, my name is Christian and welcome to the world of reselling. My journey started off during the pandemic when I was just trying to cop a pair of off-whites from the sneakers app. Fast forward to today, I'm managing a six-figure sneaker empire. But you may ask yourself, what does a day in the life of a sneaker reseller really look like? Well, today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the hustle, excitement, and strategy that comes with being a reseller. So here are 5 tips in the day in the life of a sneaker reseller. Now let's dive into tip number 1, setting the tone with an early start to the day. Waking up early is a reseller's secret weapon. It allows me to get a head start on the day ahead. I begin my morning through combing through my Discord to make sure I'm not missing any crucial information. This includes keeping an eye out for shock drops, bot and developer updates, along with insider tips. I also check on my 24/7 automations to see if I hit on anything from the previous night. These early morning routines really help me seize the day and take advantage of any opportunities that arise. Now moving to tip number 2 is leveraging insider information with Strike Access, the sponsor of our video today. In this day and age, having a cook group is an absolute necessity in order to be a successful reseller, and Strike Access is undeniably one of the best ones out there. Strike Access is an absolute game changer. It's where I get all of the inside scoop on sneaker release information and insider tips. Being a member of Strike Access gives me that competitive advantage and has propelled me exponentially into my sneaker reselling journey. If you're interested in joining Strike Access, click the link down below in the description for a 7-day free trial into our group. Strike Access will help you step by step and start you off on your reselling journey. Next up, tip number 3, time management and planning for various drops. As a reseller, I deal with a wide variety of hyped product releases, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Effective time management and strategic planning is absolutely crucial to being a reseller. To manage my time effectively, I actively write in my journal and keep a tight to-do list in my phone to make sure I'm staying on top of the tasks that I need to do. I also have apps like TickTick and other apps that remind me of specific drops as they're upcoming so that I'm not missing a beat throughout the day. These tools are absolutely essential to make sure I'm never missing a crucial drop. In the world of reselling, opportunity and timing is key. Tip number 4 is managing and selling inventory. As the day progresses and I know there's not any kind of specific drops or things I need to work on, I deep dive into the world of managing my inventory. This involves unboxing new inventory, researching current market prices, and strategically listing items on different platforms like eBay, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace. It's not just about acquiring inventory, it's about optimizing its value in the current market. Additionally, I pack up recent sales to ensure smooth transactions and help meet my quotas. This combination of strategy is key to thriving in the reselling game, and you need to be diligent with it in order to maintain. Lastly, tip number 5 is having an efficient workplace. A well-organized office can work wonders for your efficiency. It's truly where the magic happens, and if you're curious and want to see a more in-depth tour of my studio and office and how I use these things to maximize my efficiency, make sure you stay tuned for my next video. You're absolutely not going to want to miss it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video and click that notification bell so you'll be notified for my next video when I drop it. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.